thinking of starting a blog, but you're not exactly a writer, you don't want to use ChatGPT, and then you're no SEO expert, which means you don't know how to optimize articles for search engine optimization, don't worry, because I have found the best tool for creating a blog that will save you countless hours and that will easily help you rank your blog in Google. If you are an Amazon KDP author, having a blog for your book will help you to drive traffic and market your book successfully. And the tool that I am showing you today will do everything for you so that you can have a very successful blog without being an SEO expert. Hi, my name is Gabrielle, and I earn passive income from home. I have been wanting to do a blog for a very long time, and I actually have one, but I've been really lazy and haven't been posting on it. But now I have found a tool that will allow me to post consistently and create articles for each one of my YouTube videos. It is called SEO Writing. And so far, I've seen it's the best tool for writing and creating a blog using AI. I know you're super excited to check it out, so let's jump right into it. This is SEO Writing. When you use the link in the description, it will bring you to the screen and you can get started for free today. You don't need to insert any credit card. If you have any issues using any other email, use your Google account to log in. And once you log in, it brings you to this dashboard. There's a guide on how to use it, but it's so easy to use that probably with watching this video, you will have all the information you need. And you can create a one-click blog post, or you can generate many blog posts in one go, which is amazing if you want to stay consistent with posting on your blog. There's also this Humanizer tool, which I think is very useful, especially if you're an Amazon KDP author, a self-published author, and you generated something on ChatGPT for your book. You can bring it here and it will humanize it. You can choose the readability. Usually it's recommended that you use an 8th to 9th grade level so that people understand your book, unless your book is a little bit more scientific. It has several languages in which you can humanize your text. And it also removes all the AI words, all the typical, in the world of this, all the typical AI language. And it has several levels for removing AI words. There's the basic list of AI words, or there's the extended list, which makes it really humanized. I like the extended list more, honestly. I think it does a better job. And I'm going to demonstrate how to do this. I have a book here that was completely created by AI. And even though I think that AI did a really good job, I want to test it out here in humanizing. And also in reducing the level of the language so that it is easier to understand. So I copied it and I'm going to paste it here and I'm clicking on Humanize with the extended list. And within just a few seconds, SEO Writing will turn this text into this. It definitely simplified it quite a lot. It is way easier to understand and it feels more human. And now I'm going to show you the one-click blog post. The first thing that you're going to do is choose the main keyword that you want to use in this blog post. As you know, I am an Amazon influencer, so I have a YouTube channel dedicated to product reviews. This is my channel if you want to subscribe. It is called Mythical Mama Reviews, and I want to create an SEO optimized blog to promote these videos, and of course my affiliate links. So here's one of the keywords that I want to use, and with one click, SEO Writing is going to create an SEO optimized title. And here it is, Greenworks Snowblower Reliable Winter Clearing Solution. And this title is created based on some of the most searched keywords on Google. Now I'm going to check the core settings for my blog post. You can choose the language, of course. For me, it's going to be English. The article type is going to be product review. The article size, you can choose how big your blog post will be. It can be super small, medium, or large. In my case, I want it to be small. It is just a product review. The tone of voice can be friendly, professional, informational, transactional, inspirational, neutral, witty, casual, etc. In my case, I'm going to choose casual. And this is where SEO Writing gets really powerful. The point of view, you can choose if it's going to write the article in first person plural, second person, or third person. I am going to write in first person singular because it is me doing the review, but you can also do it in second person to address the reader. Target country in my case is the United States. And there are some options here that are not available according to the AI model. These are the AI models that it offers for creating your article. They recently introduced SERP, which means the search engine results page, which is real time. So according to the current real-time search results, your article will be created so that it ranks. So choosing DeepSeek would be a really powerful option. But then in that case, we don't have the options of text readability and AI content cleaning. If you want to choose those options, you would have to choose, for example, ChatGPT, and then you can choose what text readability level you want, and then you can do the AI content cleaning. SEO writing allows you to create a brand voice, which means that you can train SEO writing to write like you. So if you are a writer and you want to create articles using your own brand voice, you can train this model by selecting Create Brand Voice. And here you would have to either write a text, web scrape, where basically you can use a blog post that you already have, or upload a file. In my case, I am going to upload a file because I already have a transcript of a video. It takes a few seconds for SEO writing to analyze your brand voice. It says KDP Expert Guide, but I can change it. I am going to call it my video voice. And it analyzed what it's like. It says it's casual but professional, conversational teaching style with clear explanations. Well, I like to hear that. Here you can see what you sound like to the AI, and if you like it, you can just save the brand voice. You can create several brand voices. You have 1 to 10 voices available. So for example, if you're doing a blog for a client, you're blogging for somebody else, you can use their own brand voice and write in their voice. Okay, I'm going to go back to continue writing, and now I'm going to select my video voice. If there's any details that you need to include in your article, you can place them here. For example, if you want to place your contact information or redirect them to your YouTube channel or anything like that, you can write it down here. I would like to tell them to go visit my YouTube channel, so I'm copying the channel link here. The next step would be the media hub. You can tell it if you want to place AI images, and I want to place at least 3. You can place more. There's up to 20 images in your article. In my case, I'm only going to add 3, and you can say image style. I'm going to choose photo. I'm going to leave the image size as 16 by 9, but there are other options too. If there's any additional instructions you want for those images, you would enter it here. It includes the main keyword in the first image as alt text. This helps your article be SEO optimized. And then adds informative alt text to images based on their content, providing a clear description. YouTube videos, you can say yes, and you can include many YouTube videos. And this will grab YouTube videos and place them on the blog post. Not necessarily mine, but I'm going to take care of that in a moment. And layout, you can alternate images and videos. I want first the video and then the images. The next step is to define the SEO. And here is the keywords that you need to include in the text. To have your blog to rank, you need to include highly searched keywords within the article. And usually investigating that takes a lot of time. But with SEO writing, you don't have to worry about that. You can just press NLP keyword generation, and it will pull all the most highly searched keywords related to the main keyword that you provided. And as you see, it says greenware snowblower, best electric snowblower, top rated snowblower. So this is all things that people are currently searching for. And these are amazing keywords to drive traffic to this blog post. The next step is to define the structure for your blog post. And a blog post usually has to start with some kind of hook, something that grabs the viewer so that they continue reading. And SEO writing allows you to choose whether that hook is going to be a question, a fact, a quotation, a story, or something personal and emotional. In this case, I am going to add a question. Do you want a conclusion? Yes. Do you want tables? I'm just going to leave it as yes. H3 is for when there's like a subsection in the blog post. You can have a listicle. I'm going to say yes. Do you want to emphasize things with italics? Yes. Do you want quotes? You can say yes. In my case, I'm going to say no, because I don't need quotes in a product review. Key takeaways, yes. Frequently asked questions, yes. And do you want to use bold on some text? I'm going to say yes. Now, internal linking. When you create a blog post, it's really good to create internal links to other articles in your blog. But since I don't have any other blog posts because I'm just starting to create it. I'm not going to choose this, but if you do, then you would add your website here and it will create internal links in this article. Now, external linking is also a really good thing for ranking your blog. I am going to choose automatic, and you can choose how many links to include within your blog post. You can choose the placement, the contextual enrichment, the link attribute, and you can exclude some URLs also so that you don't have bad external links. Connect to web. That means, will this blog post be created with real connection to the web, or will it use pre-trained data? So I'm going to say yes. SEO Writing is going to analyze hundreds of the most relevant websites. The search source will be real-time search. I think that's really good. Source date, it says all time. You can choose whether you want more recent information or up to last year. I'm just going to say all time. If there's certain URLs you don't want linked here, you can exclude them. I'm going to say no. And syndication is a very useful tool if you are posting on several platforms. For example, if I want to pin this post to bring even more traffic to my blog and not only rely on search results, I can ask it to create a Pinterest pin. You can also turn it into an email newsletter so that you can email your audience and show them that review. You can also create a Facebook post, and that's about it. I'm not interested in the other three. If you want to add a link, for example, an affiliate link, you can choose here, custom link. And here you would add your own link to the product, which I definitely am going to do that. So I'm going to go back to my YouTube channel and I'm going to grab the link and I will be placing it right here. I'm going to select the outline editor. And when you press magic back, this will generate a whole outline of what that article is going to be like before it even creates it. It's kind of like a preview of what you're about to get when you generate this article. It has all the necessary information I want to include in my product review. And finally, you can connect SEO Writing to your WordPress website so that it posts these articles automatically. And you can even schedule the posting of these articles. So we're ready to create our first blog post. I'm going to press run. It will generate the whole article for you. And once it's generated, you can go in and take a look and even edit it. It took about 2 minutes to create this blog post. I'm going to click on these points and choose view. You can also download the HTML and place this blog post somewhere else. Here is the article that it has created. And it's not using my video, so I can replace that. I'm going to select edit and I'm going to my channel, copy my video and paste it here. So here we have a complete article for my blog. You can read it, you can make edits to it. Right now I'm in edit mode and I'm seeing down here that it has an actual link to the product on the Greenworks site, which I don't want. So I'm going to change that and put my own affiliate link there. And it has some images. If there's any image that you don't like, you can change it. I'm going to switch to edit mode and you can edit this image right here. You can also upload a specific image, insert image using a URL, or find an image in Unsplash. If you want to include more links to your affiliate product, all you have to do is select the text where you want those links and place it here. For example, I'm going to choose add link and I'm going to change this link for my own link. Here is my link. I'm going to copy it again and I am going to place it here. This is another spot where I can include my link. It is important to place your affiliate link through several parts of the article so that it is easier for your clients to find it. This image is not accurate, so I would have to change it. But I think it did a pretty good job. I told it to include some tables and it did. It has a conclusion, the frequently asked questions. SEO Writing, as you can see, is a very powerful tool and I don't have to worry about being an SEO expert. It's using highly searched keywords, real-time search results. It's taking care of the AI language and you can even go in and personalize it even more and see it started with a question just like I asked it to. The whole structure of this blog is completely perfect. The blog post is already properly formatted as a blog post using the headings structure. I can tell this is an H1, this is an H2, and there's probably an H3 somewhere in there because I asked it to include H3s if possible. And if you choose publish, you need to connect to your WordPress site. I don't have the WordPress site set up yet, but it is very easy to connect. and you can also export it. You can copy the whole thing and paste it elsewhere, or you can export the HTML and it will download it as an HTML page. What I am going to do is that I am going to use what I believe is the best web host for creating your blog, which is Hostinger. I am placing a link in the description below too, so that you can try it out. I've been hosting websites for a very long time. I've tried many hosting providers, and believe me, there's nothing out there like Hostinger. Hostinger allows you to create a website using AI without any knowledge of web creation, and it creates it on WordPress so that you can easily connect SEO Writing to your blog. If I press here, connect, SEO Writing shows you how to connect the WordPress website with it. And it's basically a plugin. You download the plugin, you activate it, and then you just connect it. It's very straightforward. So I'm going to do that. And this video would take forever if I do it right now. So I will be creating another video showing you how to connect SEO Writing to your blog. I'm going to go through the whole process of getting my site on Hostinger and then connecting it to SEO Writing to start my blog. So if you're interested in watching that, please like and subscribe. In the meantime, I recommend that you go to Hostinger and get your website. You get a free domain, free website migration if you already have a website, and 24/7 customer support. It is only $2.99 per month, and you get 3 months free using my link. Blogs are one of the most profitable things that you can do to start earning money online, because a blog helps you to drive traffic to whatever you're offering, whether it's an Amazon KDP book, affiliate links that allow you to earn commissions when people click on them and buy products, or even for selling courses. There is a blogger on YouTube called Adam Emfroy, and he went from earning $40,000 a year as a pizza delivery guy in 2017 to having over $14 million today through blogging. I've been wanting to get started with SEO writing for a while, and I am so blessed to be able to share this with you. Thank you, SEO Writing, for contacting me and for offering a special discount for my audience. If you want to get started with SEO writing, please use the link in the description and the QR code on the screen. I love sharing all this valuable information and tools so that you can succeed in earning money online from home and have time to enjoy your family. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and remember to leave comments below if you have any questions. YouTube believes that the next video will be useful for you, so check it out.